Here I am creating a one blog. If we are facing any kind of issue, like we cannot use internet, we cannot surf internet, surfing internet. There will be a multiple cause. In this blog, I am going to explain what cause will be and steps I will define. I will follow the method, which method I need to apply. So can't connect to the internet. There will be a question mark. What will be the reason? So here I will share the steps how to troubleshoot. First, we need to troubleshoot what cause will be in IT information technology. There will be a multiple cause. We need to rectify what cows will be. First, we need to follow the steps. As a IT admin, I will share you my experience what cows will be and how to resolve the issue. First, I'm going to here share. I am going to share the steps. How to troubleshoot internet if you are not connected to the internet. Once you will face any kind of network connection issue, just type here. Just type Press Window plus R command. Type CMD. Once you will type CMD, there will be a pop-up command. Command prompt will be open. Check you are getting IP or not. So here IP config. If you will in Windows, we need to type IP config or IP config all. In Linux, we need to type if config IP address. But here we are using Windows machine, so we need to type ipconfig. So here my desktop name is over here. I am not, my DNS is getting SSL gateway, but I'm not getting IP. So here I am using multiple LAN and multiple adapter in my scenario. But here I am not getting any IP address but adapter displaying undefined network. So here adapter showing undefined network. So there is a multiple option to troubleshoot network connection. First method I am going to introduce with you. Right click to the active directory. Sorry, sorry for that. Right click to the active adapter and display adapter. Okay. Once you will press right click to the active adapter, disable and enable it. First method, we need to disable adapter or enable the adapter. Sometime if we are going to enable and disable adapter, the IP will be automatic change or automatic enable. If the same IP is taken by another devices, it will auto will be changed. So still after enable my network adapter, I'm still not get to connect to our network. So in this scenario, so we still internet is not working. So what will be the cause? I'm getting IP. No, I am getting IP. I'm getting DNS, but my internet is not working. I'm not no internet access, no internet. IPv4 also not getting, IPv6 also not getting. Still internet is not connected, showing undefined network. No, checking the step two. Sometimes some IP array assign multiple devices. This can be a loophole. IP config release. I'm releasing the new IP. I'm releasing the IP to get new IP. Okay. So first I release the IP. Then I need to renew the IP. Renewing means to say I'm getting new IP address to assign new IP address to my current device, which we are facing the issue of internet. So also this we need to flush DNS domain name system. We need to, if it's still not working, If still not working, we just try to flush DNS. Once flush DNS, I have flush DNS over here, or flush DNS, then I try to connect to the internet, but it's still not connected. Then third step we need to follow. Assign the DNS, open network adapter, go to the properties, type the DNS only. We need to type the DNS because we are getting IP, but when internet is not connected still. So just type a whatever IP address. So in this scenario, I am applying Oracle Dyn DNS IP 216.146.35.35. I am 36 and 36. This is Dyn DNS IP. DNS. Okay. So you can also use Google 888 and 8844. So here, once I have applied, once I have applied Dyn DNS, so internet is connected. I'm getting the main cause was DNS. My I am connected to the internet, but not getting the connection. And if because undefined connection, once I have applied DNS, it's connected. I'm getting. I also try to connect on Oracle. It's once I have also try insert the DNS of Google. It's showing in we are getting IPv4 internet connection connected. So this can be so in this scenario this can be a issue. So these are the troubleshoot method we can follow, and so many troubleshoot method we can also follow. So now I need to check what is the pinging status. Just I have ping Google. Single. So I am getting there is no packet loss. You can check over here for receive. There is no 0% loss. TTL time to travel. TTLS is time to travel. Timing also less. And I have typed my querypanel.com is my blog. Also getting IP and there is no packet loss. So this is the method we can follow to troubleshoot internet.